Here is a wonderful 2018 Toyota CHR. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Take a closer look at this sporty CHR, the small, bold crossover that brings convenience, practicality, and distinctive style along on every drive. You'll love its comfortable driver-focused interior, touchscreen infotainment tech, driver assistance safety features, and chiseled lines. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Drive delightfully in this comfortable, convenient, and uniquely styled CHR. Our professional staff is here to help you have the best possible experience. We'd love to take you out for a fun and easy test drive.